Hello students, welcome to your English online class. Today we are going to read this chapter, Down the Rabbit Hole of English Literature. See, this story is about a little girl whose name is Alice. There are so many fiction stories related to Alice, like Alice in Wonderland and many others. So this story is one of them. And do you know that where does rabbit make their home, or where does rabbit live? Rabbit lives in a burrow. It makes a deep hole under the ground. Okay. Have you ever saw any rabbit? Now let's come to the story. Alice saw a white rabbit running close by. The rabbit had pink eyes. Alice ran after the rabbit. The rabbit entered a large rabbit hole. Alice went after it. So Alice saw a rabbit and she starts chasing it. Okay. Have you ever seen any rabbit? Whenever rabbit came closer to the human, then it runs away. Okay, and it seems very cute, so attractive, right? The rabbit hole went straight on like a tunnel for some way, because rabbit make a deep hole under the ground. It seems like a tunnel. Do you know what is tunnel? Suddenly, Alice found herself falling down a very deep well. So, when Alice entered the hole, she found that there is no end to that hole. She was continuously falling. Okay, because that hole was very deep, so deep. It was like a tunnel. You Google tunnel word and then you will see the picture. She fell down the deep well very slowly. The hole of the rabbit burrow was so deep that it seemed like a well. She wondered what was going to happen next. Have you ever seen any well? If you have seen any well, then you must have noticed that it is so deep, right? It is very, very deep under the ground. So when she fell down into that hole, then there was no end to that hole. She was continuously falling and she was wondering that what is going to happen with her. First, she tried to look down and make out where she was going. So, she tried to look downwards, that what is there, but it was too dark to see anything, but she was not able to see anything. Then she looked at the sides of the well. And noticed that they were filled with cupboards and bookshelves. As you can see in this picture, this Alice is falling in a hole, and around her there are shelves and books, cupboards, okay, where books are kept. Here and there she saw maps and pictures hung upon pegs. Pegs means nails, like iron nails. We used to tuck iron nails on the wall and then hang pictures or something upon it. Now, so like that, she saw that there are so many maps and pictures all around. So literally, she was imagining, or it was the scene of any class or any library, but it wasn't any class or any library, but it was a hole, deep hole of rabbit. Well, thought Alice to herself. Now, as Alice was not having any work or any other thing to do, because she was falling, it was not in her control. Okay, when we fell, so it doesn't comes in our control now, right? So she starts thinking something else. Some thought arrives in her mind. See, it becomes like a roller coaster. Have you ever taken a ride of any roller coaster at any adventure park or water rides? So whenever there is a long ride and we don't have to do anything, but we just have to sit and let that roller coaster work. It takes us wherever it wants to. So when there is nothing to do, so we start noticing these what is happening at our side, or then some thought may arrive in our mind. So similarly, Alice was also thinking something. She started thinking something. So what comes in her mind? She thought that after such a fall as this, I won't feel anything if I fell down the stairs. Means this fall is so weird, so odd, that it would be better that if she could have fallen from stairs. Means this fall into the hole was more scary than fall from the stairs. You know, how does a person get injured when anybody fell from stairs? So it is also dangerous, but she felt that falling from stairs is better than falling from this hole, because it was becoming scary for him. How brave they will all think of me at home. I wouldn't say anything even if I fell off the top of the house. So now she was comparing this fall as, you know, when we got injured. Whenever we got injured and we got injured badly, so we compare our injury with with incident which had already happened with us. That day when I fell from a stool, that injury was not that bad as this injury. Or so we start comparing. So Alice was comparing her fall from this hole from the fall from stairs and falling from the top of the house. So she felt that falling from top of the house or falling from stairs is better than this fall. Down, down, down. Would the fall never come to an end? Now Alice was thinking that I am going down. There is no end. Down, down, down. Still she was falling. The fall was not going to over. There was nothing else to do. As I told you that whenever we take any roller coaster ride, there is nothing to do with us. So we just sit and wait when this ride will get over and some thought comes in our mind. So Alice soon began talking again. So like Alice, there was nobody to talk with. So Alice was alone. She started talking to herself. Dina shall miss me very much tonight. Means Dina will miss. Dina was the cat, a pet cat of Alice. I should think. Now Alice why she is thinking about Dina, her cat? Just to divert her mind, because she was feeling scared because of this fall. Now she wanted to divert her mind, so she started thinking about her pet. I hope they will remember her saucer. Now she thinks that her family member might or may remember her saucer. Saucer means her eatables. They will take care of the cat's meal of milk at tea time. That she used to have milk at tea time. I hope that my family member would take care of my cat. Dina, my dear, I wish you were down here with me. Now she wondered that it would be better if Dina would be with me. So if you students, if you are having any pet at home, then you see, or those people who have pet at their home, they are so close to their pet that whenever they got in any trouble or they felt that there is nothing to do, so they think about their pet. Okay, because the pets are very innocent, they cannot take their meals by themselves. Okay, and they love their owner and the owner also love them. So here Alice was wondering and she was missing her pet here. There are no mice in the air. I'm afraid, but you might catch a bat. Here, why she is thinking that there is no mice in the air? Why she is thinking about mice? Because cat catches mice, right? So what she was thinking that if mice would, as mice are not here, then what her pet Dina would have eat. Now she is thinking if there is no mice, as there is no mice because she was in the air, she was floating in the air as she was falling. So she thought that if not mice, but cat can match bat, you know, and that's very like a mouse. She thought that bats are also similar to mice, you know, but do cats eat bats? I wonder. Now she started making her own conceptions that whether cats eat bats or not. She was not sure, so she was wondering. Wondering means whenever we are not sure, but we wish for something or we imagine something. And here Alice began to get rather sleepy and went on saying to herself in a dreamy sort of way. Now the fall was getting so long that now she went into a short nap. She began to sleep, and while sleeping she was dreaming and thinking, do cats eat bats? Do cats eat bats? And sometimes do bats eat cats? So here she was thinking, imagining that when the cat eat bats or bat eat cats. For you, see, as she couldn't answer either question, it didn't much matter what way she put it. So as she was not able to get the answer, so she was puzzling her thought and thinking the same way. She felt that she was dozing off. She was falling asleep and had just begun to dream and that she was walking hand in hand with Dina and saying to her very earnestly means seriously. Now in her dream, while sleeping in her dream, she thought that she is walking hand in hand with her pet Dina. Dina was a cat now, cat of Alice. So she was thinking that she is walking with her cat and she is asking her, now Dina, tell me the truth. Did you ever eat a bat? Because this doubt comes in her mind now that whether cat eat bat. So she asked Dina, have you ever eaten any bat? When suddenly, thump, down she came upon a heap of sticks and dry leaves, and the fall was over. Now finally the fall was over And where did she fall? Upon what she fell off? She fell down upon leaves and heaps of sticks. Why the heaps of sticks were there? Because she fell into the deep hole of rabbit burrow. Okay, so in the underground, what could one find? She could only find leaves and heap of sticks now. So it was filled with sticks and leaves. Okay, so all those which she imagined, those cupboard, those shelf, map which she was watching around the wall was all the imagination of Alice. Okay, and she was also thinking about her cat Dina, and she had a doubt that whether cat eat bats. So she engaged herself. She diverted her mind from the fear of fall to the and she began to think about her cat.